Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all of the things that I picked up at Sephora's recent VIB sale. I'm also going to be trying out a few of the makeup products, so this is going to be an opportunity for me to give you my first impressions and review. So if you're excited to see what I picked up and you're excited to see me testing out some new makeup products, then please keep watching. So the first couple of things that I want to share with you are some skincare products. The first thing that I got is this Coola makeup setting spray, and this is really nice because the way that I do my makeup is I usually put on a lotion SPF before I put on my makeup, and then I put my makeup on and then I'm ready to go. After a couple of hours, assuming that I've been in the sun, I know that I need to reapply my sunscreen, and the easiest way that I found to do that without just messing up my entire face of makeup is by using this makeup setting spray. And it's nice because it does have hyaluronic acid in it and it has an SPF of 30. So this is how it comes packaged. It just slides out like this, and this is what it looks like. It actually is really nice packaging. It's a glass bottle. I really like this product. This is actually the second time that I am purchasing this, and I like it because I can spray it all over my face. As I mentioned, I don't have to worry about it messing up my makeup, and I do feel like it is giving me that extra layer of protection from the sun. So it's not an extremely exciting purchase, but it is a necessity. I would definitely recommend checking this product out, especially if you're like me and you're looking for that added sun protection after a couple of hours of putting that initial layer of SPF on, and you're not wanting to mess up your makeup while doing it. The next product that I picked up is from The Ordinary. This is a really inexpensive brand. I believe I got this for maybe $6 or $7, and what I got is the hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5. I haven't tried this before, but I was in need of a hyaluronic acid to replace the one that I have that is almost gone, so I figured that I might as well just try this because it's just so inexpensive. This is the bottle it comes in. It is a nice glass bottle. I have tried The Ordinary products before, and I will say that I do like them. Hyaluronic acid is just really nice to protect against aging and provide some extra moisture to your face. I'm excited to see how this works out. So the next product that I purchased that I'm excited to share, and I'm actually a little nervous about, is this Fresh Brown Sugar Eau de Parfum spray. And the reason I'm a little nervous about this is because I'm going to be doing an on-camera sniff test. I've actually never smelled this product before, but I just got a lot of recommendations from different YouTubers, from different reviews, and this just is supposed to be a really clean, fresh, yet slightly warm scent. I am hoping that I like this. I do really love perfumes, and I'm always on the hunt for new perfumes, especially because we're getting ready to go into the summer months. I just want something that's going to be really fresh and clean and just make me feel really beautiful while wearing it. So I'm excited to test this out, and you get to come along with me and see how it goes. Fingers crossed. So I did get the 1 ounce size, and this is what the bottle looks like. It's just a very simple bottle, but it's gonna look really cute on my vanity. So we're just gonna go ahead and spray it and hope for the best. And I'm gonna go ahead and just blot. Okay, smells really good. I was just very nervous about buying this online, having only gone by reviews, because I've definitely done that before and it hasn't worked out well in the past. So I am pleasantly surprised. It almost smells like sort of like a lemon scented candy or lemon flavored candy, but I do get a little bit of that brown sugar. It is really interesting that it's called fresh brown sugar, but it smells a little bit more lemony. Fresh brown sugar, y'all, that's a keeper. Okay, so the next thing that I picked up, which I have really been eyeing for a while, is this Fresh Sky's the Limit. It's like a set of little minis of the Fresh Sugar lip balms. I don't know if they call them lip balms exactly. It's called the Sugar Lip Kit, and it comes with the Sugar Petal, the Sugar Rosé, the Sugar Mint Rush, the Sugar Honey, and the Sugar Fresh. The one that I have been eyeing the most is this honey color. So I was really excited when this came out because it has all these other scents and colors that I get to try out. And its retail price is $45 on the Sephora website. So this is what they look like. They're really cute. What's really nice about these that I've seen when I've gone into the Sephora stores is that they screw off instead of just lift off. These are perfect size for travel. You can put them in your purse, and as long as the cap is screwed on, you don't have to worry about it coming off in your purse and just getting this product all over your purse. So this is what it looks like. It's just a nice pretty petal color, and then we're just gonna go ahead and try this on. The formula is really nice. They just glide on very smooth, very buttery, and my lips feel hydrated automatically. So I'm excited and happy that I decided to pick these up. And I am a lip product junkie, so there's just no way that I'm going to be able to use up an entire tube of chapstick. So these nice little minis are just a really cute option. One of the next things that I picked up is this Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip kit, and it is a mini lip kit. I figured that this would be a great way for me to go ahead and try this. So it comes with this Lip Cheat lip liner pencil, and then this just really cute, it's just so cute. It's just like a little mini of the Pillow Talk lipstick. So you can see that right there. It's just so pretty. This Pillow Talk, it's just a universal color, and it is another holy grail. So I am really excited to try it, and I love the rose gold packaging. So we're just gonna go ahead and test this out. Okay, so that is the lip liner. And we're gonna just go ahead and try this. So that's what it looks like. It's just a really beautiful pinky nude, as I always love a pinky nude lipstick. That's one of my favorites. Being the lip junkie that I am, I did get one final lip product, which is the Artist Couture Silk Cream Lipstick. And I was just really intrigued by this because it's a brand new lipstick formula from Artist Couture, and so it's supposed to deliver a powerful color payoff in just one single swipe. The color that I got is called Power Play, and the packaging, oh, it's just so chic and sleek. I wonder if it smells like chocolate. It does not smell like chocolate. It doesn't really smell like anything, but that's really interesting. I just kind of thought that it would smell like something. We're gonna go ahead and try this on, but first I need to take off the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk that I just put on my lips. I'll just go ahead and put this on. I wouldn't necessarily classify this as a pinky nude. It's definitely got some browner undertones to it, but it is a really nice neutral color that I could see myself wearing on an everyday basis. And the formula of this is really nice. It's very creamy and buttery on the lips. It's not a mattifying formula by any means, so I do anticipate the need to reapply within a couple of hours, but I like the way that it feels on my lips. It doesn't feel overly drying. It doesn't feel drying at all. The second to the last product that I have is this Sephora I Love eyeshadow palette, and this is in the shade Medium Cool. So Sephora has just a couple of different types of eyeshadow palettes in this I Love line. I believe that they have 6 different palettes to choose from. I think we are going to go ahead and do an eye look as well. So this is the packaging. It's very cute and compact. This would definitely be good for travel. I'm not sure why, but for some reason I was expecting more of like pinky tones. That's okay. We're just gonna roll with it, and we're just gonna go ahead and try this out and see how we do. I did have to go and switch the positioning of my mirror, so instead of being right over here, I had to put it right here, so that way I could see a little bit better as I'm doing this look. So I am gonna go ahead and go into this shade right here and just go ahead and put it all over my eyelid. And just so that you're aware, none of these shadows have a specific color name to them. I think the next one that I'm going to go in with is this color right here. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put this in my fake crease right here. So the next thing that we're going to do now that we've laid that shadow down into our crease is I'm going to take, I think I kind of want to do this one right here. It's just sort of like a very pale gold shimmery one. I'm just going to go ahead and tap that with a smaller brush. And I'm just going to tap that on the ball of my eyelid. And I'm just going to take my blending brush and just blend that out. I've been experimenting with my eye makeup look. As we've been in quarantine, one of the things that I really wanted to learn how to do was how to get better at my makeup technique for my eyeshadow. So if you've seen any of my other videos, you might have seen that my eye makeup eyeshadow technique has been a little bit spotty and questionable. If you want to know what I'm talking about, I'm gonna go ahead and link one of those videos in the eye. But basically, I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos on how to do makeup, especially for monolids. And I feel like I'm getting pretty good at it based on what I see here. It doesn't look awful as it used to in the videos that I did previously. So the other thing that I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take this right here and go ahead and put a little bit of that in the inner corners of my eye, which I don't typically do because I just feel like my eyes are kind of running a lot. I feel like my tear ducts are constantly going. I'm not sure what that's about, but for today, I feel like it'll be okay. This is the final look with this eyeshadow palette anyways. So I like this. I feel like I'm not super crazy about the colors, but I feel like I could come to like them as long as I play around with it a little bit. I mean, I do like the eye look that I put together. It just doesn't look super cute in the pan. But again, we'll just continue to try it out and see how it goes. Okay, so the last thing that I picked up, this is the last and final item, is the Shiseido eyelash curler. And I have heard so many great things about this eyelash curler, especially about how great it is for Asian eyelashes. My eyelashes are just super poker straight, and so it's really hard sometimes because the eyelid tends to be a little bit flatter for me to be able to get all of the little eyelashes curled at once. So we'll see how this does. In order to test this out, I have my Thrive Liquid Lash Extensions mascara, and by the way, this is just a fantastic mascara. I've heard so many great things about it and they all ring true, so I probably will never go back to another mascara again. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out of the box. I'm just gonna give it a go. I just went and grabbed my other current eyelash curler, and you can see just by comparison that this one is just definitely much more bendy and curved, and this one is a little bit flatter. So it's exciting to be able to see that feature. So let's just go ahead and see how this performs. And I'm not sure how well you can see, but just from looking at it, I can see that it does grab all of my eyelashes. Whereas typically with the other eyelash curler, it wouldn't grab all of my eyelashes and I would have to go kind of around in sections. Oh, wow. Amazing. I don't know if you can see. Maybe you'll be able to see better with mascara. Okay, and so I'm just gonna go ahead and do this one too. You can see, I don't know if you can see, but it basically has all of my eyelashes in there, and it's just amazing, is it not? Yes, it totally is. Oh my goodness. Oh, amazing. Just very super curled. I'm just gonna go ahead and do this one more time because I'm just in disbelief. And it's just also really nice. Again, like I said, it's, I mean, look at that. It's just unbelievable. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish up with mascara. You can see, can you see this right here? I mean, probably you can see it. But yeah. Is that not amazing to you? It's amazing to me. It's amazing to me. I'm gonna let these dry off a little bit. This is sort of my routine that I do when I'm trying to get my mascara to dry, but this is just amazing. Combined with this, also amazing. I can actually see my eyelashes. I can see the curl in my eyelashes, and that's holy grail stuff. Again, can I say amazing? This is amazing. So this is the final makeup look using all of the products that I recently purchased from the Sephora Vib sale. I have to say that I am very pleasantly surprised with all of the purchases that I made, which is typically not the case. There's usually always one or two duds within the mix. So just the fact that everything that I purchased upon first glance and first tryout, I was really impressed by. I'm just really excited by that. It's also nice to know that given the circumstances of everything that's happening and being that we're still sheltered in place, that I don't have to go to the post office to return something, or rather procrastinate for a really long time in returning something. I will go ahead and leave links down below in the description box to all of the products that I shared with you today. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. If you enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate it if you would give this a thumbs up. If you'd like to see some of the other videos that I have here on my channel, then I will go ahead and leave a link to a couple of videos right here.